Hey, I'm Paul with rackoutfitters.com, here to show you the Thule Trail XT rooftop cargo basket. This is part number 864XT. Here we have it installed onto this vehicle that is already equipped with a roof rack system. This is Thule's premium basket. It's a aluminum construction, giving it a very modern and sleek overall design and appearance. It has extruded aluminum sections, very high quality manufacturing. Here we have it just resting on this roof rack crossbar system to demonstrate the various methods that are provided to connect to the given crossbars. There is two basic styles. There is a U-bolt method of connection, where you have a U-bolt that goes from the underside and connects to the top. There are three different length U-bolts to accommodate different bar thicknesses. From the underside, you position the U-bolts and it engages to the top side of the adjustable bracket. And so you'd simply just tighten those two wing nuts, and then you would engage this cover which protects those bolts and the exposed threads, so that if you have a bag or other gear on top, they don't get punctured by any exposed hardware. So this cover not only does that, but also you have the option to remove this plug and replace this plug with a lock cylinder. The lock cylinder would provide an excellent theft deterrent, and typically people will purchase a set of two of these, one for each side of the vehicle, to provide a good theft deterrent. Now there is another mounting method, and that is the TTrack method of attachment of this roof rack basket, and that requires temporarily removing this rubber strip to expose the track, and then determining exactly where the position would come through, and segmenting that strip so that this square-headed bolt, the threads will be exposed and come through this center mounting hole, and then you would tighten that on, and then once again you would use this cover to cover up that wing nut and provide security if you purchase the lock cylinder separately. So other unique features to this design is this front extruded aluminum section has a piece of rubber here to provide traction if you were to set gear directly on top. Also, by disconnecting this top portion, you can disengage this top portion of the corner bracket and expose another track. So this track again allows for connection of TTrack mountable accessories using this track. An example of that would be a ski carrier, or perhaps a kayak carrier that are designed to work with the TTrack method of attachment. Otherwise, you just have the rubber that keeps that covered up, and then this corner bracket just reattaches, and there's a simple turn knob that keeps that in place. Also, on each side of the carrier, you have multiple tie-down positions that are adjustable. There is a hex wrench included to allow for repositioning of these anywhere along this track, and that gives you an excellent place to strap gear onto. So this particular basket is one of two sizes available from Thule. This is the smaller of the two, and it measures externally 53 inches in length and 35.5 inches wide. The internal dimensions are 45 inches long and 33 inches wide. If you'd like more capacity, there's also a larger Trail XT basket available as well. So those are all the key features of this Thule Trail XT rooftop cargo basket. I'm Paul with rackoutfitters.com. This product, along with a full line of Thule products, are available on our website, and thanks for watching.